Hey guys, this is Shakti. Welcome to my channel. Today we are counting down the top 5 first-person shooter games which are story-based and action-packed. If you love games with great story, awesome action and fun shooting, this is the list for you. Let's get started. Game number 5 on our list, Far Cry 6.
You can shoot, so shoot.
A big open world game set on a tropical island where you play as Danny Rogers, a guerrilla fighter. Main goal is to fight against a dictator who is controlling the island and its people. In the gameplay you can explore the world, complete missions and take down enemies in your way. You can use either stealth mode to sneak around and kill enemies or go in guns blazing. Tons of creative weapons, you can use everything from rifles to tanks and even ride horses to get around the island. The storyline is really good. You will get pulled into the fights for freedom with emotional moments and exciting battles. This game is available on PlayStation 4 and 5, Xbox and in PC. Game number 4 on our list, Doom Eternal. A fast-paced action shooter game where you play as Demon Slayer fighting demons from hell. Combat is super intense. You will use a variety of weapons like shotgun, chainsaw and plasma rifle. You need to constantly move and shoot. This is a non-stop action game. You never slow down. It's all about fast movement, jumping around and taking out the demons one after another. The game's graphics are stunning and the heavy metal soundtrack keeps you pumped up while you fight. There is not much story here, but you can get pure adrenaline pumping combat. This game is available on PlayStation 4 and 5, Xbox and also in PC. Game number 3 on our list, Wolfenstein II, the new Colossus. A story-driven game set in an alternative version of history where Nazis have taken over America. You play as a character, BJ Blazkowicz, a resistance fighter leading the revolution to take down the Nazis. Action-packed shooting gameplay with the ability to dual-wield weapons, meaning you can hold 2 guns at once for extra firepower. The game has a powerful plot, full of emotional moments and well-done voice acting. It's not just about action, but also about telling the story narrative. With a great mix of combat and storytelling, you will be drawn into the fights and the characters and making it more than just a shooting game. This game is available on PlayStation 4 and 5, Xbox and also in PC. Game number 2 on our list, Metro Exodus. A story-driven first-person shooter from 4A Games developer that blends deadly combat and survival horror in one of the most impressive game worlds ever created. The story of the game follows Artyom, who is trying to find a safe place for his people outside the metro tunnels of Moscow. You will need to scavenge for ammo, weapons and resources, making it every shot count for survival. You will fight in some moments, and in others you will have to be careful and quiet to survive, a mix of action and stealth gameplay. Unlike the previous games in the series, this one takes you outside the tunnels into bigger and more open world exploration. The game's world is dark and gritty, making every encounter feel tense and dangerous. This game is available on PlayStation 4 and 5, Xbox and also in PC. The number 1 game on our list, Titanfall 2. This is an underrated gem in the list of first-person shooter that mixes the fast movement with a giant mix called Titans. Single-player campaign has a short but exciting story where you play as Jack Cooper, the soldier who teams up with a Titan named PT-7274. The multiplayer is super fast-paced, combining parkour-style movements with Titan combat. You can run on walls, jump around, and use powerful Titans in battle. Combat is fluid. You will feel the smoothness of the game as you move through the map and the shooting enemies and controlling Titans. This game is mix of fast shooting and giant robot battles, make this game unique and a lot of fun. This game is available on PlayStation 4, Xbox One and also in PC.
I suggest you embark, pilot. environment, I detect an
Whether you're into fast-paced action, deep storytelling, or a mix of both, these games have something for everyone. What's your favorite first-person shooter game? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome gaming content. See you in the next video.